Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As you can see, we got the truck. We're heading down to Cedar City to do some errands, get some mail, and there's a skate runner. And then check on the bus and get a couple things, and you can hear Zen barking in the back. I made it to Family Dollar, and we're going to get some treats that Steven, I think Steve, from Iowa, gave me some money for dog treats. So this is one of Zen's favorites. He likes these chicken, pork, and sweet potato rolls. Look at what I found. Home sweet home. Boy, have I missed you. I am ready to get this thing back. It feels so kind of eerie, so quiet, but it's kind of nice because this thing is so quiet compared to being in a tent. And my refrigerator's still going. Oh, I still got frozen pizza in there. Woohoo, and chicken, and it's still ice cold. Man, let's get this thing back. I'm here to pick up a few more clothes and my reciprocating saw so I can cut things. Especially that big pile of wood outside of my tent. We made it back from our trip to Cedar City. Zen is over here resting up from his ordeal of being in the truck for about an hour or more. But got a few things. Let me see what I got. I got a few things. Somebody's honking a horn at me. Anyway, I got some. Anybody tried this before? I have not tried that, but I just needed a little one to go into my can because I'm just about out of coffee. So, Cafe Bustelo. I've seen it before. I think it's a decent cup of joe. Oh, what else I got? Got some cereal, and I got some basics, oatmeal. I got some bread, which smashed already. I don't think anybody can carry bread without getting smashed somewhere. And then hot dog buns. I got hot dogs but no buns. Now I have buns. And of course, Zen got his dog treats. I got 3 bags of this and a couple of others. So not like he doesn't already have enough, but he doesn't have the chewy kind. He likes those. So he got some of those. And tortillas and coffee, whatever. Yeah, coffee mate. So, and that's it. Got my tent set back up. So let me get back out of here. And then I'll show you what I'm going to be doing today. I also stopped by the bus, as you saw, which was, oh, that was so nice. Such a refreshing. It's like seeing an old friend again. So I got to stop in there and look around. But anyway, I got my Sawzall. I went by a horrible freight, and I got me some saws, some blades, got me some more fireproofing tape. Not that it's fireproofing. I got my mail. And guess what? The debit card saga still continues. I've got 3 things from the bank in my mail forwarded from Quartzsite. One of them was, what is this? Oh, hospital accident and sickness benefits. Yeah, right. And then I got stuff from the post from, what is it? Oh yeah, got these 2 things. My PIN number for both of my debit cards, but no debit cards. Tell you what, it just, hopefully I'll get them some suckers pretty soon. So I was down there and went ahead and ordered another forwarding from Quartzsite because I think something else came in letter mail. So see if they actually have my PIN number, because I need my debit card. Now that I have PIN numbers, I need my debit card so I can pay for the bus repairs, which is, what did it say, Thursday? Less than a week away, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I did stop by and talk to Steve, the mechanic, and he showed me on the tracking that it's still in transit. So it's supposed to be delivered Friday, and then we'll kind of go from there. But what else? Oh yeah, I'm going to cut this stuff up with my saw and blades. I'm going to start working on this. I'm going to reduce that big pile of logs down to smaller pieces so it doesn't look so ungodly. Oh my gosh, it looks like I live in a, homeless camp almost. So I need to clean my place up a bit. We'll be working on that a little bit later on. Oh, there we have it. I have cut up all my wood. This is now all that wood that was stacked up back here on the concrete. Looks a lot better. It looks a lot better. Now, a couple of those boards I'll be cutting up for around the water faucet down there. The rest of those boards will probably go in the trash because I think they're probably covered in lead paint. They've been here for so long. The old fencing boards run around the old bathroom, 100 years ago. But yeah, it looks a lot better. Now, we just had a couple of rains come through, so that's nice. I had a few rain delays. I'm cutting my wood. But the nice thing is, well, it's not nice because, I mean, the burn ban's not lifted because of the little bit of rain we had. But the nice thing about it is that when people start fires now, which they will, it won't be so bad because now everything is wet around them. So, I did get some more tape so I can go tape up the fire pits and we'll get those sealed back off again until the governor releases the burn ban on the state of Utah. So who knows when that'll be? No idea. But I got wood ready for it. And I also told somebody I might be here all winter. I'm gonna got my wood ready. So, but I don't think so. Hopefully next week we'll be in that big green metal bus and back to our normal stuff. A couple more lost and found items and we'll end the video. Here's the other chair I found. Look here. It's got a, get the water out of it. It's got one of these, what are these? Little canopy things on top of it. Isn't that cute? Of course, it looks better when it's not standing up on top of a wood pile. It's got one little broken rod over here, but I think I can fix that pretty easy. But yeah, I threw in the trash, so I dug it back out. And I think it's something I'd be using, but I don't know about the canopy thing. And here's something else, a couple of things I found just recently. I'm going to show you, this is a good find here. Look at here. That's probably about 50 feet, I would say, of this parachute cord, but look, it's got the humongous carabiners on the end of it. And it's got a carabiner in the middle that slides them down so you can hang like a light and stuff on it or something. That was left tied up, still up there in the woods on the upper loop. I think it was left because one of the carabiners ends, I had to get a wrench to take it loose. It was too tight. And I got this too. This is a slightly used. This is a shade cloth. You can see it's been, kind of torn around, but still usable. And it was hanging up there too in the trees. This is probably, I would say, 8 by 12 or something. Pretty big size. And I had to get my ladder to go get it down because I don't know how this person that was up there got these things into trees. They were way up there. I had to get the ladder. When I found this too, this was on a table. What is this? Static 5. It is a sleeping pad, full-size, lightweight sleeping pad. I like this part right here. Inflate 10 to 15 breaths. Have you ever been about 9 to 10,000 feet and try to blow one of these things up? You'll be out of breath. But yeah, that was left on one of the benches. So that's what I got so far on the lost and found. Pretty good haul this week. So with that, I think we'll just say thanks for watching, everybody. And we'll see you guys on around the campsite. Maybe I'll find some more chores to do or see what happens. The weekend is coming, which probably means we'll be busy. So we'll have to just wait and see what happens. And I know rain is coming in tomorrow. Probably, it says. And maybe look around. Maybe some more tonight. We need it. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you guys on around the campsite.